What do you think? How much did each of these clips cost to create? The first one was completely free, and the second around $70,000. Crazy, right? Hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create amazing AI movies without spending a dime. We go from this to this.
The sea won't let me go.
And from this to this. Are you excited yet? Well, let's dive right in. So, in the first place, what inspired me to make this video? Well, as you know, AI video generator subscriptions are super expensive. Here on Higgsfield at the Shared Projects, you can see how entire AI movies are made, what assets they used, how many videos they generated, and most importantly, how much credits they used. Look at this. This is a pirate short film. It is 3 minutes and 22 seconds long. They used over 937,489 credits, almost 1 million credits. When we let AI do the math, we can see that they spend between $37,000 to over $70,000. That is insane. Not only that, but they also spend countless of hours generating again and again. They generated more than 13,000 assets. So who's got the time and money to do this? Well, I think you and I don't. So let's check out a way to get it done in way less time and without spending a dime. Let's go. And by the way, I have this entire Google Docs file with master prompts which you can access for free. The link is in the description. This will save you a lot of time. So we will first create our main character. Therefore, we need a 3-panel character sheet. You can simply get it from the Google Docs file, but I downloaded this image and then I edited it in a photo editing software, like this. Now for our pirate, I thought it would be amusing to choose Donald Trump, but you can of course pick anyone. It is important that you get a front view and a left and right side profile shot. I took all the images from Google and added it to the blank template and cut out the overlapping parts. Make sure that the face is in all images the same size. Now I copied the prompt that they used on Higgsfield. And yes, this is also in the Google Docs file. Open a new ChatGPT chat and add the character sheet of your main character in there. Now add the prompt and press enter. We can generate like 3 images on ChatGPT for free, so that is really amazing. After around 1 minute it will be done. Just look at it. It looks so good. Now write the following prompt, so ChatGPT will give you video ideas. What would be a cool story idea? I can only generate like 30 seconds, 3x 10 second of video. Give me inspiration. Now pick the story you want and ask it for the Google Flow Master prompt. This is also in the Google Docs file. Now we need to go to Google Flow. Here we can generate free 10-second videos for free per day. Start a new project and now upload the character sheet. But guys, unfortunately we were not allowed to upload celebrity images or generate videos with it. And yes, I also tested this on Dola, and there we go, the same error. Such a shame. But no worries, I will show you 2 other cool ways to circumvent it. Let's start with the first one. The first one goes like this. We will transform the Donald Trump pirate character sheet into a cartoon. So go to ChatGPT, add the Donald Trump pirate character sheet and write, create a cartoon version of this, Family Guy style. Look at that, just amazing. Now write, that Google Flow Master prompt, does it require any change? If yes, please do it. Copy that prompt. Now go back to Google Flow, upload the cartoon character sheet. And press Add to Prompt. Now add the prompt from ChatGPT, delete the title and press enter. Now press approve and the generation will start. And also approve the other video. After around a minute it will be done. Let's check out the first generation. Okay, nice. The second one is also ready. Sometimes it can happen that Google Flow forgets to continue to generate the third video. Well, in that case, simply write continue. After you've downloaded all the generations, we will stitch them together in CapCut. And for some reason, Google Flow made an error with one of our videos. We will simply cut that part out. Before I am going to show you this result, I will show you another way to create this video, but in a way that it is fully continuous. So first we need a different prompt. Go to ChatGPT and write in the same chat. "Ok, thank you, but now I would like to take a different approach. Give me the prompts for the 3 videos separately. I won't send Google Flow all at once, but per generation." Now we need to log into Google Flow with a new account or wait 24 hours to get 50 credits for free. Now first, upload the cartoon character sheet and add it to the prompt. Now add the first video prompt and generate it.
Hey you, yes you, if you type "I am a pirate" in the comments, I will send you a cookie.
Download the video and add it to CapCut. Now go all the way to the last frame. Click on the 3 stripes and click Export Still Frames. And save it to where you can find it again and give it a name like Frame 1. Now copy the second prompt. Go to Google Flow, click on the 3 dots of the character sheet image and click Add to Prompt. Now upload the frame we just saved. And also add it to the prompt. Now add the second prompt and be sure to add the following text in the prompt. And use the frame 1 image as the starting frame. Sometimes the generation won't start immediately. In that case, you can just write OK or continue. The second generation is done, and as you can see, the video starts where the last one ended. Exactly what we wanted. Now do this same process again for the last frame. Save the frame. Copy the third video prompt. Add the character sheet to the prompt. Upload the third frame. And add it to the prompt. Add the little sentence to the prompt and generate it. Download the videos and stitch them together in CapCut, and you are done. I will show you the end result of all the videos at the end of the video, because now we are going to do the most exciting part. Just follow along. Go to ChatGPT and add the cartoon character sheet. Now turn this into human and generate it. And guys, in a way I am demonstrating that you don't need complex prompts to get great results, because after around 1 or 2 minutes we get this. This is perfect. Let's save it. Now we will work to get a new prompt and we will pick another story. And I will use the first method, not the complicated one where we needed to save the last frame each time. Now I will pick a new story idea and copy the text. Now give me a Google Flow prompt for, now add the story you want. Pick it from the story ideas in the beginning. But this time, do it like you did the first prompt with all the videos at once and not separately. And at the end, you can also add the first long prompt we got from ChatGPT in the beginning to avoid errors. Copy that prompt and we go to Google Flow, and yes, either wait 24 hours or use another account to get new credits. Upload the new character sheet and add it to the prompt. Add the prompt from ChatGPT and generate the video. Write, for example, continue, to let Google Flow know that it can automatically generate the next video. Download all the videos and stitch them together in CapCut. And sometimes you need to do a bit of editing. Here in this case, some parts looked weird, needed to be cut out, or you just need to change the order of the different scenes. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's your turn. Create amazing AI movies without spending a dime. You won't be $70,000 lighter after doing this. No, you will have fun. Create fascinating movies. Let me know in the comments what you think. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
The sea won't let me go. The sea won't let me go. You're supposed to be dead.